I got on Amazon. It's just four bowls. Because I have bowls, but they're not camera friendly. And sometimes I wanted to display my thing, my recipe, they're freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. So they can go into freeze deep, they can go into the freezer, they can go into the dishwasher, they're dishwasher safe, and they're also microwave safe. So you can reheat them in the microwave as well. And they comes with lids. It's a lead free. It's also said lead free. So basically, not much to talk about, but there's not much to talk about. But just bear in mind that it can go in the freezer, it can go in the microwave, and it can go in the dishwasher.